What's up, everybody? It is Home Tip Tuesday. All right, with homes sitting on the market a little longer and competition amongst other sellers starting to ramp up a bit, let's talk about whether you should professionally stage your home. Well, did you know, according to the National Association of Realtors, professionally staging a home can help it sell 88% faster for an average of 20% more than non-staged homes. I'll say it again, staging a home can help increase the sales price by up to 20%. So why doesn't everyone stage their home? Well, that's because professional staging comes with a price tag that can cost hundreds of dollars each month, typically at the expense of the seller. Now, I also think it's important to remember that even though you may get more money for staging your home, it's also very important that you price your home correctly and don't overprice it in this market just because there's new furniture in there. All right, that's it for today. A lot of the stagers I work with will give you a free estimate, so shout if you need anything, and I'll see you next week.